Welcome to Clean India Show, India's ultimate platform where innovation meets impact in cleaning, hygiene, waste management, and linen care. Dive into 3 days of innovative technology, powerful networking, and game-changing solutions shaping the industry's tomorrow. Whether you're here to explore the latest products, connect with industry leaders, or unlock new business opportunities, this is where the future gets cleaner, smarter, and unstoppable.
It's our first experience with Laundrex and it's been an overwhelming experience. We've had a very interesting mix of customers from across the country.
Clean India Show is a great platform showcasing our latest innovation in mechanized cleaning technology where we can network with a varied kind of clientele and all customers under one roof. The experience has been great overall.
The Clean India Show has been very informative because we get to understand our target audience's requirements, so that will help us build a better product for them as well.
It's always a very special moment, always when you participate with the Clean India. And as usual, this time also it's a great experience which you have got it. And we got a complete platform solution which we can offer to our customer.
It was an amazing experience, great footfall. I see people coming from healthcare, from commercial laundry markets, from a lot of dry cleaners, some hoteliers are there. And I also see a lot of garment companies as well, garment exporters.
Clean India for us is a great platform to meet all our existing and new customers and to connect with all our distributor partners across India.
Clean India, only one which brings together all the stakeholders, be it suppliers, machine vendors, be it facility management service providers and top-notch professionals. So we all get a platform where we share ideas, we learn from each other.
Amazing show.
Inspirational, impactful knowledge session.
Clean India, the future of cleaning.
Cleaning with innovation.
That's a wrap. Thank you for being part of the journey. See you again.
See you.